Hello car lovers. Today we're taking a close look at the 2025 BMW iX7, the latest addition to BMW's growing lineup of luxury electric vehicles. With an emphasis on cutting-edge technology, sustainable luxury, and thrilling performance, the iX7 is designed to challenge the best in the electric SUV market. Let's dive into what makes the 2025 BMW iX7 a compelling choice for discerning EV buyers. Overview of the 2025 BMW iX7. The BMW iX7 is an all-electric full-size SUV that combines BMW's signature driving dynamics with the spaciousness and sophistication of a luxury family vehicle. With a bold, futuristic design and a focus on sustainability, the iX7 represents BMW's vision for the future of electric mobility. It's packed with features aimed at delivering an unparalleled driving experience while reducing its environmental footprint. Pros: impressive range and efficiency. The iX7 offers an estimated range of up to 400 miles on a single charge, making it one of the leaders in its class. Its efficient powertrain ensures smooth and reliable performance for both short commutes and long road trips. Luxurious and spacious interior. With seating for up to 7 passengers, the iX7's interior is designed with comfort in mind. High-quality materials, customizable ambient lighting, and generous legroom make every ride a pleasure. Advanced technology. The iX7 features BMW's latest iDrive 9 infotainment system with a massive curved display that seamlessly integrates navigation, entertainment, and vehicle controls. Enhanced voice commands and gesture controls provide a futuristic user experience. Sustainable luxury. BMW has incorporated eco-friendly materials throughout the iX7's cabin, including vegan leather options and recycled plastics, aligning with the brand's commitment to sustainability. Exceptional driving dynamics. True to BMW's heritage, the iX7 delivers a sporty yet refined driving experience. Dual electric motors provide up to 500 horsepower, while an adaptive air suspension ensures a smooth ride on any terrain. Cons: steep price tag. As a flagship luxury SUV, the iX7's premium features come at a high cost, which may not fit all budgets. Large size. While its spacious interior is a plus, the iX7's size can make it challenging to maneuver in tight city streets or parking spaces. Charging infrastructure. Despite its impressive range, owners in areas with limited fast charging infrastructure may face challenges on long-distance trips. Performance and handling. The 2025 BMW iX7 is powered by a dual-motor all-wheel drive system that provides instant torque and a 0 to 60 mph time of just 4.7 seconds. The adaptive air suspension adjusts in real time to road conditions, offering a perfect balance of comfort and agility. Whether you're navigating urban environments or tackling rugged trails, the iX7 delivers a confident and engaging. Technology and infotainment. BMW's iDrive 9 system takes center stage in the iX7, featuring a high-resolution curved display that blends the instrument cluster and infotainment screen. The system supports over-the-air updates, ensuring that your SUV stays up-to-date with the latest features. Advanced driver assistance systems, including highway assist and automated parking, enhance safety and convenience. Sustainability and design. The iX7's exterior design is both bold and aerodynamic, with BMW's signature kidney grille reimagined for the electric era. The use of sustainable materials extends beyond the interior, as BMW integrates renewable energy sources into the production process. This approach underscores the iX7's role in BMW's ambitious electrification. The 2025 BMW iX7 is a remarkable blend of luxury, technology, and sustainability. With its impressive range, cutting-edge features, and commitment to eco-conscious design, it's a standout in the electric SUV market. While its size and price may not suit everyone, those seeking a premium electric SUV that doesn't compromise on performance or comfort will find plenty to love in the iX7. If you're ready to elevate your driving experience, the BMW iX7 deserves your attention. Thanks for joining us for this deep dive into the 2025 BMW iX7. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more EV reviews and updates. What are your thoughts on the iX7? Share them in the comments below. Until next time, drive safe and stay electric.